While the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is still months away from its official launch, early reports indicate that battery upgrades remain disappointingly stagnant. Samsung, known for its slow evolution in battery technology, does not appear to be making significant strides with its next Ultra flagship. Instead of introducing a larger, high-density battery, sources suggest that Samsung will stick to a 5,000 mAh battery, a capacity that has remained unchanged in Ultra models for years. Even in the event of an upgrade, leaks indicate that the battery won't exceed 5,400 mAh, leaving enthusiasts hoping for power improvements feeling underwhelmed. Samsung's conservative approach to batteries. Samsung's cautious stance on battery innovation is likely influenced by the Galaxy Note 7 disaster, which still haunts the company's risk assessment strategies. However, while Samsung remains hesitant, competitors like Xiaomi and Oppo have forged ahead, introducing 7,000 mAh batteries with dense cell technology to maximize efficiency. Yet Samsung seems unmoved by industry trends. The recently launched Galaxy S25 Edge features a mere 3,900 mAh battery, something a Samsung executive defended in a recent interview, despite widespread criticism. Are Apple and Google following the same path? The reluctance to push battery boundaries is not limited to Samsung. In the US market, brands like Apple and Google have also prioritized optimization over capacity increases. Apple, for instance, is expected to announce battery efficiency improvements using AI-driven Apple Intelligence rather than adopting denser battery cells. Even Google's flagship Pixel series has maintained modest battery capacities, reinforcing the trend of prioritizing size, heat management, and software optimizations over raw battery power. Charging speeds, another disappointment? In addition to sticking with the same battery capacity, Samsung is reportedly retaining its slow charging speeds. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will continue to support 45W wired charging, falling far behind Chinese brands that now offer 120W ultra-fast charging. Samsung's reluctance to embrace cutting-edge battery and charging technologies could place it behind competitors who have already taken bold steps to enhance both endurance and speed. Slim phones, smaller batteries, a concerning trend. Industry insiders suggest that slimmer smartphone designs may be the reason behind the continued use of smaller battery capacities. Apple, for example, is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 Air, which prioritizes compact form over extended battery life. Similarly, reports indicate that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 will come with a measly 4,400 mAh battery, further reinforcing this trend. With consumers increasingly prioritizing battery longevity, Samsung's conservative approach may not sit well with users seeking greater endurance from their devices. Will Samsung adjust its strategy for future Ultra models, or will it continue down this road of minimal battery improvements? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for the latest updates on Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra as we anticipate more leaks and official announcements. Rocket!